Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find all Gmail accounts created with your phone number. So if you also want to find all Gmail accounts created with your phone number, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I have already opened it. Now simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in accounts.google.com/sign-in/username recovery. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to enter your phone number or email. Since you want to find all Gmail accounts created with your phone number, simply enter your phone number over here. After entering the phone number, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now simply enter your first name. You can also enter your last name if you want, but this is optional. Now click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here Google will send you a verification code. Simply click on the send option that you can see right over here. Due to some reason, I am not being able to receive my verification code, but you'll be able to receive your verification code in your phone number. After that, you'll be led to another interface. All you have to do is enter that verification code over there. After that, simply click on the next option. Now you'll be able to see all the Google accounts that has been created using that phone number. So that is how you find all Gmail accounts created with your phone number. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.